Hello and welcome to what is, by my eye, quite a bizarre setup. You can't see it because it's in front of the camera, but in front of me is my bathroom cabinet mirror, removed and precariously balanced on a yoga mat on my desk chair. If my landlord is watching, I promise I can fix it. There is method to my madness, as seeing as it's spooky season, we decided it'd be fun to do some special effects makeup, Wheel of Time related special effects makeup. So joining me again today is Caitlin, and she is going to be turning me into a Myrddraal, or Fade, or Half Man, or Eyeless. Many synonyms will be used throughout the course of this video. We have done some special effects makeup before. Last Halloween, Caitlin turned me into a zombie. Insert pictures here. That was a lot of fun, and so this year we decided to be a little bit more ambitious and go full-on Myrddraal. So that involves a bald cap, it involves having my eyes covered up, which is terrifying, especially if the battery on the camera dies.
I'm a bit worried about that. So this is to make it easier to get the ball cap over it.
Should it go over the ears or under the ears?
Do Myrddraals have ears?
Do Myrddraals have ears? Now there's a question. I don't want to be deaf as well.
Because we're going to be pulling the ball cap over his eyes, we're going to cushion them with these cotton pads that Elliot has conveniently pinpricked.
Yes.
Some little eye holes.
Somewhat optimistically, I'm realising.
I hope it doesn't say don't use near eyes.
Oh, it's a bit late for that.
Do not use in eye area.
Lol. Always read the instructions first.
My eyes have teared up.
Yours have teared up. Imagine what mine are doing right now.
Okay, so here we go with the ball cap. I'd just like to point out that I've never used a ball cap before.
And I've never worn one. Oh, that fits quite nicely.
I'm really worried about your little eyes and the spirit gum.
I can't see a thing.
Can you hear a thing?
I can hear a little bit, but it is diminished.
I mean, it's looking quite good, I think.
Oh, fantastic. Earlier today, I had to teach Caitlin how to use my camera on the off chance that the holes in the cotton pads didn't work, which turns out to be less of an off chance and more of a certainty. So hopefully this video is making it to you and everything looks good and everyone's in focus. You want to take it off?
Do you think that's a terrible idea?
I do.
It's just, should I send you a picture? Oh no, you won't be able to see it.
How is sending me a picture going to help?
Okay, now we're going to stick down the edges of the ball cap to Elliot's face.
Would this be a bad time to mention I need to pee?
What?
Okay. Oh, it smells like tequila. Flashbacks. Does it look good?
So this isn't as seamless as I was hoping for. Well, we got some holes in the cap, which is unfortunate, and I'm not sure if the spirit gum. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use spirit gum with this. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use spirit. So I'm not sure if the spirit. You look so funny.
It's supposed to look scary.
I'm not sure if we're supposed to use spirit gum with this type of ball cap because it seems to kind of be disintegrated. I need a second.
What's next? Makeup?
Yeah, I think we just slather it in white makeup and hope for the best. I'm just going to put it out there that you probably shouldn't use this as a tutorial. I think someone who knows what they're doing is going to look at this and be like, what the hell are they doing?
So, Caitlin, last time you were here, we did a non-book reader reaction to the trailer. The Wheel of Time just released a new clip. Have you seen it?
I have.
Okay, what did you think of it?
It didn't seem low budget. I'd like to take that back. Should I say it looks a bit low budget? I feel mean saying that. Yeah, I did think it was interesting how when those people came in to the room, it was a woman who, interrogated them, and she was like, "What are you doing? Who are you?" Which does support that the women have all the power in this society. Because you wouldn't really see that, I think, in other shows. It'd definitely be some big burly man.
Did you like the character who questioned the strangers?
I did. I think she had a very sort of powerful aura.
What if I told you that was my favourite character?
Oh, really?
It is.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hello.
So I'm now just going to try and cover this ball cap in a white colour, but it's coming out a bit yellowy. It's not covering the cotton pads very well. You've got these big white bug eyes.
Hello.
Look, it's all going terribly wrong.
It doesn't look finished.
I can't cover the pads.
My housemate Luke, everybody. See, in my head, this looks amazing.
No, it really doesn't help.
It looks like you just have a bag on your head.
That looks so much better, but it's all mangled.
Okay.
I think this is looking a little bit more promising.
Do you have any instances of special effects makeup in movies that you really like?
Well, you always tell me to watch Pan's Labyrinth, and I've seen that scene with what's the monster with the eyes on its hands?
Oh, the child catcher.
The child catcher, which is very, very cool.
Doesn't look too dissimilar from a Myrddraal, funnily enough.
Do you think? Yeah, I guess so, actually. I really love Mad Max. All of the makeup is so cool. And like the main villain, that would be so sick to put that together.
Next Halloween. Next.
God, that is quite a few levels above.
Assuming this video is edited and up by Halloween itself, only 19 more days to go until the Wheel of Time TV series. Are you excited, Caitlin?
I am so excited. I mean, I've heard so much about this series, and I'm not prepared to read 14 books, I'm afraid. Is it 14?
It is 14 and a prequel.
So, it'd be nice to see what you've been going on about. Right, I think that might be it then.
Think we're done?
I think so.
Fantastic. Right. Well, in that case, let's go take some pictures. Well, thank you everyone for doing the outro.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Sorry this isn't really a tutorial in the end. I think I was a little overconfident, if I'm honest, at the start, but I think it looks alright. I think the end result's pretty cool. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it anyway, and we wanted to wish you a happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy holidays.
So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and Elliot will see you in his next video.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's terrifying. the way the teeth are falling out. Wow. Just adds to the